So good morning everyone, this is the day 8 of our trip. Today's itinerary is to visit the famous sightseeings of Chikkamagaluru. It's 8:30 am. Let's go have our breakfast and then move on for the scenic sightseeings of today. So in the last video you might have seen that we have come to Chikkamagaluru from Murdeshwar via Udupi, and today we are heading towards our first sightseeing, which is Mangari, around 30 kilometers from our hotel, which is Tribot the Meridian. You can find the room tour as well at the end of the video. Chikkamagaluru offers an abundance of attractions. However, with just one day to explore, it's essential to prioritize. We have curated a diverse itinerary including a beautiful lake, breathtaking peaks, waterfalls, and even a spice shop, providing a perfect snapshot of Chikkamagaluru's charm in a day. Watch the video till the end as it is full of breathtaking views of Chikkamagaluru. So here we are at the Mangari Peak, the highest peak of Karnataka, and you have to climb up 500 steps to reach the peak where there is a temple, and there are no barricades around the steps, so it might be difficult for some people, but the view it offers is just fantastic. So here we are at the top of the peak. It is 6,300 feet from the sea level, and here you find the Lord Shiva temple as well. You can also take some beautiful photographs here. Time for a cinematic shot. Time to move down and head towards the next sightseeing. So next sightseeing is the Buddhagiri mountain range, which is around 30 kilometers from here, and it will take us around 1 hour to reach there. So here we stopped at the Hala waterfall to click some pictures. It is around 15 kilometers from the Mangari Peak and more 11 kilometers left for Buddhagiri mountain range. reach the Baba Budan mountain range, you have to either take a jeep or your personal vehicle, but some vehicles might get stuck there, so you can either trek and then get a jeep for yourself, or you can keep trekking. So we didn't reach the top of the range, but we crossed a couple of bushes and trekked up, and we got this very good place which has a lot of scenic view. So now we are done visiting the Baba Buddhagiri mountain range, and it's almost lunch time, so let's find a good restaurant. Till then you can enjoy the scenic roads of Chikkamagaluru. So this is Hotel Arman. It is 30 kilometers from the Baba Buddhagiri Peak, and here we are to try out its lunch. So here we are at Giri Spices after having a lavish lunch at Hotel Arman. And as you all know, Chikkamagaluru is also famous for growing crops and coffee. So that's what we are going to explore in this shop today. So you find many things in this shop like chocolates, oil extracts, perfumes, fruit extracts, many types of spices, and all these are plant-based. So here you can also find different types or different quality levels of one spice, which again have different prices. So here we are heading towards the Herok Lake, which is around 10 kilometers from here. So after visiting the tranquil and beautiful lake of Herok Lake in Chikkamagaluru, now we are heading towards the main city where we are going to visit the town canteen, which is one of the famous shops of Chikkamagaluru, and there we'll have some snacks and head on towards our hotel. By the way, Mickey also did a short dance in this lake. You can find that by clicking on the I button above. So here we had some tea and coffee for the snacks. Now we are heading towards the hotel where I'll show you the room tour as well. So as you open the door, you can find a very large sized bed. Just opposite to it is a smart TV. As you move on, you also find a cupboard with a mirror beside it, and then you go to the opposite side. You also find a table with a chair. You also get the facilities of electric kettle with the tea and coffee sachets. Next, this is the bathroom. It's pretty neat and clean, and this is the whole room. So that's all for today's video. Tomorrow we're going to head towards Bengaluru to catch our train. Meet you in the next trip, which is going to be epic. So till then, bye bye, tata, see you soon.